My hometown is Banyuwangi, Serang district for exact. My hometown is not a very big place. However, even though my hometown is not a big place, I'm very happy to live in my village. Life in the country is much more pleasant than in the city. Banyuwangi has many interesting natural charms, such as the Red Island, Ijen Charter, Green Bay, and any others. So, not many tourism come to Banyuwangi to see the natural beauty. My hobby is swim. Swimming has been my favorite sport since I was a kid. I go to the pool twice a week. For me, swimming is very suitable for relax and refresh my mind. That's why I'm really like for swimming. I think my friends like me because I'm very friendly, funny, and patient person. I like to listen to music because that was make me feeling happy and relaxed. I would like to visit Paris because there is a beautiful country and I want to see Eiffel Tower every day. I usually travel with my family because if I'm traveling with my family, I'm always feel safety. I prefer to travel by train because if I'm traveling by the train, it will be fast and I can to see the beautiful scenery. I think transportation in my city is good because a lot of transportation has been provided such as the train, bus, and any others. Instagram, Facebook, Zoom, Telegram, WhatsApp, Line is application which I often use. I always use this application because there are several applications that I use to support my learning activity, and there are also several applications that I use to filling my spare time after I have studied. I think several this application is very important for me because it support in my life. I choose this application because it's what I need than any other application. If I uninstall one of the above applications to support my daily activity, I will be confused and always late to get new information. Not only that, if I uninstall some of application, I will feel bored because there are several applications used to fill my spare time. Most people choose application to communication very much considering the number of application users, the speed in sending message, pictures, files, and videos, and the ease of using the application. In my opinion, all applications have their own strength and weakness. It all depends on the user to get more strength and weakness of an application. One example is an application that can help children to learn everything, such as a YouTube, which is an application that displays video. With this application, children can learn and know everything that they have never heard or seen. Yes, of course. Parents should be able to limit the use of application for the children because this is for the children don't become dependent on this application, and also the children have more time to socialize with their surrounding environment such as playing with their friends. The difference lies in the diversity of various things such as the variety of form, usability, and speed of accessing the application. Now, applications have many forms and use in contrast to the past, where there are only a few applications. In addition, the speed in accessing an application in the past with the present is very different. I think all people have struggled to using the application at this time. One of the reasons is that many old people don't know how to use smartphone, so that was make they have difficulty. This of course caused them not to know how to operate and access the application.